What's going on, YouTubers? It's the kid here from the Kids Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick video of how to upgrade your Mac to 8 gigs, and this is the 2011 version, so I'm just not even going to waste your time. This is the model number for the new 2011 edition that Crucial actually has out. They make a few different modules. Why are they just kind of doing whatever they want to do? But they make a few different modules for different years, and this one is compatible with the 2011 MacBook Pros. So I'm going to just place this off to the side. You guys won't be able to see it on the camera, but the main part of this is how to get in. Now, I have a precision screwdriver set, and this screwdriver is 5/64. I don't know if that really makes a difference, but you definitely don't want to use a screw tip that is too big for the screws, and you might strip them out. So what you have to do is go around this guy and pull out every single screw. So here I will probably just fast forward for you guys so you don't have to wait and see me unscrew everything. Alright, now I'm back, and what you guys can see here is there's 3 longer screws that go in these bottom portions, I guess you would call it, because the Mac is actually upside down. But you got to make sure that you put them back in the correct slot when it comes time to reassemble it. So now I'm going to take off my Mac cover, and as soon as I get my arm out of the way, you'll see one major big change that I've done. And that is an SSD. I got it the first day I bought this guy, and it's freaking amazing. Anyways, I might go with a second SSD to replace the super drive, but for now it is what it is. I use the super drive once in a while, but anyways, that's another story. If you guys want to hear that, just let me know. But here are the 2 module DIMMs. Now what you have to do is there's these 2 little tabs, one there and one here. You need to pop those out to the side, and there's one module that pops right up. And I'm actually going to put it over here off to the side. So these are, what the hell are these? I don't even know what these are. But that's, let's see if I can actually get this for you guys legible. It's Hynix Korea 03 2 gig sticks, and I'm putting in 4 gig sticks for 8 gigs of RAM, and that is the stock memory. Same thing with the bottom ones. You just pull these back again, and the second one, you got to get your fingers out of the way, but the second one releases, and it is a little tricky. You got to get your fingers out and just kind of use your nails. But there's the second one, and pop that up, and there are the 2 memory modules out. And just for ha-has, I will throw a comparison for you guys. So you can see that there's a lot more memory chips on the Crucial one than is on the Corsair one than is on the stock one. So anyways, let's pop these in. Now note the orientation with the cutout to that side, and if you do forget, you can always peek over and you can see there's a little notch in here. So what you want to do is line up the bottom one like so, push it in a little bit, and then push straight down, and boom, you got the first one in. And I don't know if you really should, but I tip out the modules, and I always touch them on the sides. I never touch the gold pin connectors, just in case. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do or not, but that's how I always handle my electronics. I never touch the connector part. But anyway, same thing. Slide it in and push down until it clicks into place. So there we go. We have 2 memory modules in, and oops. And all I'm going to do real quick is just look over, see if there's any dust. I don't see anything. This guy's looking awesome. So I'm going to fast forward again, putting the back on. Actually, I'm not even going to fast forward it. You guys saw how it was put on. Just reassemble, and I will actually let you guys know if this Mac is running any better because of the upgrade. So thank you guys for watching.